Tell me when recording.
We're recording.
Oh.
Okay. Hello, this is Professor Lab, the head of science and explosives work, and this is Professor Lab, the younger. Don't talk unless I tell you to.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, this here is a firecracker bomb shell without the firecracker bomb. Instead, there is 5 morning glories and 1 flash bomb replaced on the inside. Over here we have a used color blast piece of crap sparkler filled with 30 of these little explosive guys and 25 morning glories, along with non-flammable cardboard around the edge to give it a shaped charge. Now I will place this on top. We will light it and let all hell break loose. The time is 10:24 p.m. on New Year's Eve.
Shall I do the honors?
Yes, Professor Lab the Younger, do the honors. And then run. Okay, run!
Run, 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 run!
What do you think?
I don't think it completely lit.
I think it did. Did you see how big that thing was? Holy crap!
It's still on fire. That beats the neighbors tenfold.
Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Do it in your driveway.